Okay, looks like we are live after a long time. It's been a long time. We went live, also uploading. It's been a long time uploaded video, tutorial video on the platform. A bit busy with some other things. I'm updating my course on Spring. So from Spring 2, Spring Boot 2 to Spring Boot 3, added a lot of different stuff. Uh, I mean, Finally made an amazing course. Also, currently we are working with the cloud, which is almost done. And yeah, it's fun. It's fun creating videos. Yeah, I'm not able to upload on YouTube, but I'm making it for the platform and for the Udemy. Yeah, so it's hard 7 months. So I thought I will finish all the recordings in 3 months. So everything was supposed to be completed before Diwali, and now it's April, and now you can imagine how much time it takes to create one course. And of course, when you have a flagship course, it takes time because you spent your all energy in one course. And we got my Sergi. Hello, Sergi. How are you? Thanks for joining the live. Okay, so today we are going to have a fun quiz. I wanted to go live just to talk to you people, but I thought let's do it with the quiz so that we can have some fun in between. Just listening to me for an hour will be quite boring, so I thought let's do both. Let's do the MA, is it called AMA, Ask Me Anything, and also with the quiz. So just waiting for everyone to join. Maybe YouTube has not sent the notification to everyone. They are delayed sometime. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Hi, Mamu. Okay, that sounds weird, but that's fine. What's the course name on Udemy? It's you search for Java Spring. Currently, it is a best-selling course. I'm not sure how long it will be a best-selling course because the algorithm makes your course bestseller or non-bestseller. At this point, it is bestseller, so you can check for Java Spring. And also, if you are someone who want to learn these things live, we also have some live courses. You will find the link in description. So one course already started on 10th of March. But we are still into basics because at the start we take some time to clear the basic stuff. And the second course, which only talks about Spring and microservices, is going to start from April 18. Again, check the description for the details. Noob says Web3 Burn done, you've done. I made 40 unique projects, so that's great, but not getting internship because I'm BCA student. See, internship is not dependent upon the degree which you are doing. It doesn't matter is it engineering or a bachelor's. Yes, few companies look for engineers for the interns, but there are a lot of companies who look for talent. You have to find that particular company, and it takes time. It's not easy to get internship nowadays. And when the moment you get internship very easily, that's not a worthwhile internships. What some institute do is, they basically ask you to enroll, and then they will give you a fake internship. Okay, when I say fake internship, I'm not saying it is waste of time, but basically you work in their environment. You are not actually working in the corporate environment. So when I say corporate, I'm not saying big companies. I'm just saying where actually work is done, not just working on some fake projects. So making a clone is not internship. You are simply making a clone and then you're basically following someone else's coding. You're not doing things by yourself. Have you heard about the new Cray supercomputer? No, let me just check. So it's Cray supercomputer. Let me share this screen with you as well so that you can see what I'm searching for. I hope it's not a promotion by some company, but let me try. So Cray is a company that designs, manufactures supercomputer. So what's good about this? They started in 1975. Why we're talking about this now? Unlock more value from your data by accelerating your computer intensive work. Okay, need to check this out. Every day, some companies talk about some new stuff coming up. Okay, nowadays we are watching more news than actual content, right? Because of all this news. Which is the present technology framework used for front end along with Java backend? What I saw is most of the big companies they are using Angular. Startups are using React, but again, big companies are also referring React for few projects. So it's a mixed stuff. Angular, React. So you can check them out. What's the Python course name on Udemy? Search for Python for beginners. Okay. Satnam says that was a joke. April 1st done, Satnam. It's been 1 week. You're still fooling people around. But that was a good one. I need your guidance. What exactly you need guidance in terms of? Okay, so what I will do is I will start with the quiz and in between I will pick up some questions. Okay, so I hope you are all set for the quiz, everyone. Give me a thumbs up in the chat so that I will know you're excited for the quiz. Okay. Great. So let me present the quiz and share my screen. Okay, I'm sharing my screen. Again, these are not very difficult questions, easy questions to start with. And I need to move my face from the QR code. And the weird thing is I'm not able to do that. Hey, what's wrong? Why I'm not able to move my face? Just a second. Looks like it is fixed on the screen. Okay, no issue. You can go to menti.com on your browser and enter this code. I'm not sure if this QR will work with my face on it. At least you can see partially. What's wrong? It's not moving. Where?
Lock button.
This one?
Yes. You can do
Do we have some more layers? This one? Okay. Since I'm using this tool for a long time. Yeah, so now you can see the QR code, I guess. Just scan that and you'll be in. Cool, so just waiting for at least 50 people to join the Menti once before we start. Yeah, join it and hit that heart icon which you can see there. And that's how I will know that you are in the Menti. So by the time we are waiting, you can check the description for the video. In the video, there are 2 new courses started. One already started, which is called Industry Ready Java course, which has everything from Java, Spring, microservices. It's a huge course for 6 months. And that already started on March 10th, but we are interested into basics. The new batch coming up, which is Spring and microservices, check that out as well. Okay, we crossed 50. It's time to start the game. Okay, and here we go. The first question, everyone. coming on your screen. Okay, not the question, but just wanted to get some info from where you are watching this. Of course, I'm not expecting people. Okay, name your city, not your name. So I'm not expecting anyone joining from USA because it's almost 3 a.m. there. Uh, so this is good for UK time zone, Indian time zone. So let's see. So Hyderabad, Chennai, Hyderabad is the majority here. Vishakhapatnam, Mumbai. Okay, people are joining from Mumbai as well, not watching their match. Okay. Vishakhapatnam, Karimnagar, Bangalore. I think Bangalore crowd is also huge. It's just that they are making mistakes while typing the spelling. I've never seen people mistaking their spellings for their cities for Mumbai, Chennai, Delhi. It's always Bangalore who mess up with their spellings. Okay, Kakinada, Dhaka, Bhopal, okay, Raipur. So is my search is still in this session because I can see Bhopal there. So we got Nizamabad boys as well. So I remember last time also the Nizamabad boys were winning the 20s. Is it the same scenario? Duke is watching from Kenya. So what's the time there now? What's the time in Romania? Okay, cool. So I can see Hyderabad is winning here. So now let's go for the the first question. So everyone, it will ask you for your name. Make sure that you enter your correct name. This course is about some tech questions, not exactly very technical, but somewhere related to the tech, and just for fun. Okay, it's not for learning or something. Just a fun quiz. Okay, Avirat says, before starting the quiz, I would like to thank you, sir, for teaching coding so easily, especially Java. I cracked TCS technical interview. Oh, thank you. I mean, that's great. Thank you so much for letting me know that. And it always feel good because of your work if someone is getting help. But again, of course, it's also depend upon your hard work, how much you are practicing by yourself. That's good to know that you have cracked the interview. Happy for you. Okay, people who just joined this session, if you want to join the quiz, on the top, if you can see, it says join at menti.com. So just go here, enter this URL, the domain name, and it will ask you for a code. I just mention this code. And also I will paste the link in the chat for the Menti if you want to join using browser. Okay, so the first question, everyone, coming on your screen, and here we go. Who is the father of open source software? I know most of you what you'll be selecting because that's a very famous name. I'm not talking about Steve Jobs here. Apart from it, there's one more famous name in the first three names. And time up. Okay, so most of you knew the answer. That's good. The answer is Richard Stallman. But then the next famous name there is Linus Torvald. Linus Torvald is famous because of Linux. Ken Thompson, famous because of he's a creator of B language and also Unix. And Steve Jobs, not famous for their open source contributions, but yeah. We all know who Steve Jobs is. Okay, question from Rahul. Did you try Devika AI and open source for OpenAI? No, it's not open source from OpenAI because basically it's created by someone else. But yeah, it is based on GPTs. I have not checked it yet, and I'm not sure if it is that promising. it's not no harm to check it out later. I will do that. I'm new to Java. I'm good to join this. Yeah, I mean, these are not. We don't have Java questions here. Gireshwa says, "Sir, I'm learning Spring Boot from your tutorials. It's very crisp and clean." Oh, that's great. Good to know that. I want to start with Spring Boot. There are already course on Spring Core. I mean, yeah, on YouTube also we have course on this. We also have a live sessions where you have Spring Boot. You can check them out. Okay, next question coming on your screen, everyone. And here we go. Who sold PayPal to eBay? And 3, 2, 1, time up. Let's see. Okay, most of you are saying Elon Musk, and that is correct. Elon Musk is the person who created, basically Elon Musk created x.com, which they have also used the same domain now for Twitter. So the story starts in 1995 somewhere when they wanted to have their own payment gateway. And they started working on x.com, which represents transactions. And later on, they merged with PayPal. The founder of PayPal is Peter Thiel. And they created PayPal. And then after some time, they sold PayPal to eBay for some very big amount. And using that money, he created 2 more companies or 3 more companies. So that's the true entrepreneurship, right? Okay, 2 questions done. Let me pick up some questions here. And I'm not aware about the Spring framework. Can I learn Spring Boot without Spring framework? No, the usual, I mean, you can basically. You can directly go for Spring Boot and learn it. But then if you want to have a good experience with Spring, if you want to understand what's happening behind the scene, it's better to start with Spring first and go for Spring Boot. Is choosing JFS is better than Node.js or something others? I'm confused. I'm not sure what JFS is. Need to check that first. Okay, sometimes what happens is Menti creates some issues with the voting, or maybe you have some network issues, so sometimes your vote does not register. Any prize? No, not this time. I'm planning to do one more in the upcoming week, and we can have a prize there. Okay, next question coming on. Okay, so we have a leaderboard, and let's see who is doing well here. On the top, I can see Alien 31, who is doing good. Oh no, it's Cool B. Alien 31 just came down. So it's Cool B who is on the top. And that's why I ask you to enter your real name, because by default, Mentimeter will pick up some names. We got Alien 31, Ruben, Grok, Ramanand. Then we got Raja, Sai Kumar, MM, Nitin, and Ram. Okay. Cool. Question from Sai Kumar. DSA or development, what do you prefer? There's no choice like you have to select one, you have to select both. But preferably focus more on development, because what is happening now is the entire market is moving towards DSA. That's good. DSA is, I mean, it's very important to learn DSA concepts, but then don't ignore development. Otherwise, you join a company, now you know all the algorithms, but you're not able to work on the actual product. So you become that nerd, who knows everything in the world but cannot live a real life. So don't be that person. In the company, they work on real development. but DSA is equally important. So make sure that you divide your work or time, focus on DSA and development both. How to participate? You can open your browser, and otherwise you can also scan this QR code. So I'm showing this QR code on screen. Use this QR code and you'll be in. Do you provide Core Java on Udemy? Yes, I do have. So search for Telesco Java. You will find the videos. So Navin to teach Java. Okay, next question. On your screen, coming now, and here we go. Who has written the Bitcoin white paper? I think I should move my face. It's hiding the question. I'll put it here. And that's right, most of your Satoshi Nakamoto, and 2 persons are saying, Navin Reddy, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I hope I had so much of Bitcoins with me. Okay, question number 4 will be coming on your screen. Just checking if you have any questions. Java developer versus MERN, both are good, but in the enterprise for the big projects, they are preferring more Java. That's what I feel. But again, if you ask this question to a MERN professional, they will say MERN. Since I'm into Java, if you ask me, I will say Java. So both are good. It's not like you have to choose one, but they're good. Okay, question number 4 coming on your screen. Which of the following is not a keyword in Python? Okay, most of you are saying not local, but even I got confused when I saw this question, but non-local is a keyword. I literally checked on Google. Yeah, it is a keyword. None is not a keyword. Or, I mean, none of this. Basically, all are the keywords here. I am currently studying in Tier 3 college in TS. Do I have a chance to get more than 30 LPA job in product-based companies? Please reply. See, package is not dependent on the wrong point, because packages are dependent on colleges, because top tier colleges, they get big companies and they hire. But then just because you're from Tier 1 college, there's no guarantee that you will get a good package. And just because you're from Tier 3 college, there is no guarantee that you will not get a good package. Basically, you need to have that skill set. So why a company will pay you 30 lakhs per annum? You have to showcase that skill set. Be very good with DSA, make sure that you have some projects with you. Work on some niche skills. Example, let's say if you want to get into Java, make sure that you understand Spring Framework, microservices. If you want to get into, let's say, MERN stack, make sure that you are able to build a good application using all the layers. So it depends on the field. You have to master in that field. You can't simply say, I'm done with my college, I got good grades and I want a good package. No, that's not how industry works. So make sure that you work on your niche skills and you have to be better than others. And surely if you try in multiple companies, you will find one. So I'm not saying just because you have a skill set, you can get the job in the first go. It will take some time. Why organizations are preferring to migrate to Java 17 from Java 8? Two reasons. Java 17 got more features, so of course they have to migrate. Second, every versions of Java, they have basically a long-term support. They have a support cycle. And Java 8 support is, I think it's ended now, and that's why they have to move. Otherwise, they will not get updates. Okay, next question. Question number 5 coming on your screen. And here we go. Biggest market share in cloud. So basically, which company has the biggest market share? And time up. Okay, majority of you are saying AWS, and that is correct. Azure also has a good market share now, but AWS is a king. So let's see the leaderboard, and the leaderboard says any changes now. Let's see. It looks like Raja is doing well, fastest. I mean, everyone made mistakes, but Raja has not done any mistakes. Is it a hacker? Not sure. But we got Ram, Sai Kumar, Abdul, Dinesh, Vivek, Alien 31, Kulbi again, Nandana, and Fayaz. Question number 6 coming on your screen. Jitendra sir, good afternoon. Can I start learn Spring after Core Java? Yes, you can. But also, if you know the concept of JDBC and Servlet, it will be easier for you. Question number 6 coming on your screen. Who is the founder of Ethereum? Okay, 7 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, most of you are saying Vitalik Buterin, and that is correct. Good job. Okay, next question. Before we do that, there's a message from Rahul. I was a part of Enterprise Java batch in last year. I got placed in startup company as a backend developer. Your concepts that you taught helped me a lot. Oh, that's great, Rahul. Congratulations. Okay, we are listening a lot of good things today. Good to know that. Thank you, Rahul, for sharing. Okay, question number 7 coming on your screen, everyone. Okay, guess the person. He looks different now because this is an old photo. But what's your guess? He's a CEO of which company? And time up. And majority of you are saying NVIDIA, and that is correct. He's into news now because every company want to have a tie-up with NVIDIA somewhere or the other way. So, good. Is Java and DSA enough to get a good package? Yeah, but not just core Java, because everyone knows core Java nowadays. Make sure that you learn the advanced part, like frameworks and build projects. Okay, question number 8 coming on your screen. Now guess this personality. Okay, last option, Heather Abbas. Heather is actually a trainer in the, so whenever you join a Telesco live course, you will find Heather one of the best Java trainer. And few of you have selected Heather there. So no, that's not how Heather looks like. Maybe next time I will do live with Heather on this channel. And you might have seen him. He has done live classes on this platform. The correct answer is Gavin Wood, the founder of Polkadot. Okay, let's see the leaderboard. Any changes? Looks like Raja made mistakes there. And now on top, Kulbi is back on top. Good job, Kulbi. Then we got Sai Kumar, Danesh, and Das, Ram, Raja, Abdul, Ruben. Ruben is new, Rahul is new. Great. And we got 2 more questions. Let's see who wins. Identify the logo given below. So of course this is an AI tool from Taliska. Now, this is not how we are going to have our own AI logo. That's why this is GitHub Copilot. And the last question coming on your screen. Currently I am learning MERN stack. Is Java development also similar to MERN? See, the layers remain same in most of the technologies, but the way you implement them differs. Okay, last question coming on your screen, and here we go. What does GUI stand for? Easiest question to end with. And time up, of course. But 3 people still made the mistake. It says general user interface. Now, this is graphical user interface. And with that, I think this was more about time because it was the easiest one. And before I show you the final leaderboard, I just want to talk about the course. So everyone who is watching this, check out the description. There are 2 new courses. Check them out and see which one is suitable for you. And if you are a student, connect with my team for the discount. You will find the number in description. And let's see the final leaderboard now. And Coolby looks like is down now. And the winner for today's mentee is Dinesh. Good job. Dinesh, how do you pronounce your name? Dinesh? Dinesh. Then we got Das, Kulbi, and the name is hidden. I can't see that. Is it Bhargav, maybe? Rahul, Fayaz, Darshan, Sai Kumar, Sri Charan, and Ram. So people who are the winner for this mentee, you can connect with my team and make sure that you have your screenshots. Connect with the team and you can avail more discounts. But make sure that you have your screenshot. Without screenshot, don't ask for the discounts. So for the courses, which is listed there, you can join any of the courses by showing the screenshot. So you will get a good discount. Okay, on that note, thank you everyone for joining. So we'll do this type of live sessions more just to have some fun, also answer some of the questions. Yeah, thank you so much. Bye-bye.